Welcome, guys. It's Thursday. Or actually, maybe it's Wednesday when I'm doing this video, but at the same time, I'm going to be posting on Thursday. So that's definitely going to be my intro right here. Welcome to my channel. My name is David Pinto, also call me Tips with Dave. And if you're watching this in email or you're watching this even just on my channel, I want to definitely come out with this video and talk to you a little bit more about traffic, right? So I have 3 traffic sources in my pro system. If you don't know what the pro system is and you want to learn more about it, there's going to be a link in the description. You can check that out. And I'm going to talk about a little bit more about my top 3 sources of traffic, but why are they my top 3 sources of traffic? Okay, so why are these traffic sources important for your business? Firstly, there are different forms of traffic, so please don't think that the same. A lot of people confuse it and think that they're all the same kind of traffic, but they're not. Okay, the first traffic source is a place that I go is like a marketplace. It's almost like a Facebook, let's say, for traffic sources, and you need to definitely talk to the people to understand if it is worth it or not to buy with them, and that is solo ad traffic. Okay, the second one you see right here is MLM leads, which is basically media traffic. Okay, media traffic. Now what this means is that there are real-time visitors. It's not coming from other people's lists. It's coming from people who are interested, who go on Google. You know, the 200,000 people that search online how to make money online, or maybe how do I find a job online, or how do I work from home, or these kind of things. Okay, home-based business. This is what they are. Okay, so these are real-time people who are looking to know more about it. So that's why it's called a media buy. Okay, it's media traffic. So they do not come, the traffic from solo ads is basically from other people's lists. So these are from other people's lists. They're already building the list and they're selling their traffic to us, right? So you may get some sales, you may not get some sales. Obviously, most probably you will if you have fresh leads that come in, okay? Because sometimes most of the people that you can find are fresh leads that come in, and then they just transfer to your list basically, and then that allows you to follow up with them and get the sales, okay? But media buys are a little bit different. They trickle in because, like I said, they're real-time clicks, so they're media buys, and that's why they trickle in. So if you buy, for example, 100 clicks, it's going to trickle in throughout the week or throughout the month, or as long as you hit that 100 clicks. Okay, they will never do it less than that. So the point is for them to put that link out until everyone hits the 100 clicks. Now, and you get opt-ins from that. Obviously, it's quality traffic. Honestly, I think MLM leads, or this traffic source right here, is one of the best traffic sources that I have, honestly. And then you have traffic for me, which is again super premium traffic. Okay, and when I say super premium traffic, they are not bot traffic. Okay, it's specifically for the industries who are looking for quality traffic. It is quite pricey at times, but at the same time, it's premium traffic. So it's really a good option. So these are the 3 traffic sources that I have in my system. I utilize this, and the plan is to have it on a weekly basis. Okay, so I just want to quickly stop sharing my screen, maybe go to the whiteboard and give you an idea. Okay, so I want to clear this because I was doing a previous video. So let's just put whiteboard and clear outline. Great. So I want to very specifically write down here the plan. Okay, so you have a product or service. Just going to use that. Okay, so let's say it as a pro system. Okay, which is what we are using, which is my system right down here. Okay, so you have a product or service that is the pro system. Okay, I present the pro system with Online Sales Pro. Okay, I present the system with Online Sales Pro, which is the marketing system that I use to present all the elements of the pro system. Okay, and then we have what we just spoke about, traffic, right here. Okay, so traffic goes to Online Sales Pro. Online Sales Pro in turn allows me to make a sale with the elements in the pro system. Okay, and then from that, a portion of that money, okay, a portion of I make a sale, and a portion of that money goes to purchasing more traffic. And as you can see, the wheel turns. Okay, this is the format I follow. Is a really simple format, but it needs to be week in and week out. Okay, guys, for every single week, for 4 times a month minimum, okay, 4 times a month, you need to purchase traffic, whether it's 50 clicks, 100, or more. Okay, this has to be done every single week, so it has to be 4 times per month that you're purchasing traffic, so that this flow remains solid. Okay, let's stop this right now and go maybe to stop share and go back to the my page. And that's why I either come here once a week, 1, 2, 3, and 1, you know, and just repeat it again and again. Go to these traffic sources. So this is how I use it in the Pro system. Again, this video is on Traffic Thursday. I always like to come out on a video on Traffic Thursday, and maybe a special video for some of my traffic sources. So it's just basically to give you guys some content that is valuable, but rather to show you a little bit more about my plan on Traffic Thursday. Okay, and give you some tips on it. So remember, media buys, one of my favorite ways to buy to purchase traffic. Okay, media buys, not bombarded by any other lists, but the real-time traffic. So check it out. Link is in the description if you're interested in traffic sources and generating leads online. If not, then click the button below and at least check out the Pro system if you would like. Okay, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I'm going to see you on the next video.